Hi friends, in this video I'm just going to show how to claim this $1 million on GTA Online Cash. So I'm gonna just claim it. So if you have already a member of Amazon Prime Gaming, you can use this games and loots. So you need to log in gaming.amazon. You need to log in with your account, and don't forget to link your account as well. You need to link Twitch account. So you need to link the Twitch account on gaming.amazon.com. So I have already linked. I have separate video to link the account. You can check on that. Now I am going to check on this games and loots. So here you can see this $1 million this month in GTA Online. So I'm gonna claim it. Tap on it. Before that, I just want to show this. I have cash at bank at 999,850, but that is no cash in hand. It's zero. I can withdraw anytime. So I have separate video also how to withdraw money from bank to your wallet. So you can check that video as well. Coming back to Prime Gaming, so I need to link it. So you can see these options here, claim now. You need to click on that. Once you click on the claim now, it will be changed to claimed. Then you need to link the account. So it is applicable for PS4, Xbox One and PC. So now I am going to link the game account. You can check these instructions as well. So link game account. Tap it. Create an account or sign in to become eligible for Prime Gaming X Social Club benefits. So I'm gonna give sign in. So I'm going to use this PlayStation account because I need to link it. So which should reflect on my PlayStation console. So just tap this PS. So it will be asking you to log in with your PlayStation Network ID. So you need to put your user ID and password for PlayStation Network. Already I have signed in, that's why it is automatically picked up. So here I need to enter this RockStar Social Club. Already I have created. If you don't have, just create it and enter the password. So click on sign in. Verify. Super, it's continuing. Your social club account has been linked with your Sony Entertainment Network. Super cool. This one, me only. Click on continue. So this is successful. And then link with Amazon. So I need to provide the password. Sign in. Hello. Super cool. Continue. So Grand Theft Auto Online has been selected here, and I can see the tick mark. Super cool. To receive benefits in GTA Online, you must have completed the tutorial. That's fine. So view Grand Theft Auto Online benefits. Super cool. Successfully claimed. So log into the game and complete the tutorial. Once you complete the tutorial and play it for at least 30 minutes, you will see a green checkbox next to your preferred platform in the played column. Some benefits may take up to 7 to 10 days to be delivered. Once you have linked your accounts and been registered, you will receive an in-game notification stating that you are receiving benefits with Prime Gaming. So now log into the game and complete the tutorial. You will get $1 million which you claimed. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye friends. Take care.